Hello and welcome. Do you say, please turn on the AC or please put on the AC? Which one do you think is correct? In this video, I'll show you the difference between turn on and put on and the correct ways to use them, okay? Use turn on when you are referring to something that needs electricity to function or battery. So it can be a machine or any device, okay? Use put on when you are referring to something to wear on the body. So that's the difference. Now let's answer these questions with this information. 1. Please blank the generator before it gets too dark. Generator is a keyword here and it is a machine. So what do we use for machines? Turn on. Turn on is used for machines. So turn on is the correct phrase. Please turn on the generator before it gets too dark. 2. She quickly blanked her cardigan when the wind started blowing. Cardigan is something to put on the body. So put on is correct. 3. Can you blank the television? The news is about to begin. Television uses electricity, so turn on is correct. Can you turn on the television? The news is about to begin. 4. He forgot to blank his wristwatch before leaving the house. Wristwatch is something to put on the body, so put on is correct. 5. Don't blank the microwave if it's empty. Microwave is a device. It uses electricity, so turn on is correct. 6. I always blank my seat belt before the car starts moving. Seat belt is worn on the body, so put on is correct. 7. She blanked her earrings and looked at herself in the mirror. Earring is worn on the body, so put on is correct. 8. Please blank the water heater. I need a warm bath. Water heater uses electricity, so turn on is correct. 9. He blanked his cap and walked out confidently. This is our keyword, cap. It is worn on the body, so put on is correct. And the last one, she blanked the blender to make a smoothie. Blender, what should be the correct answer to this one? Put on or turn on. Thank you for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more grammar lessons.